Good afternoon, guys. Today I am going to talk about present indefinite of negative sentence. This is based on the past time, that what work we did not do well. This type of sentence we are going to practice here. But first we have to understand that what structure of this tense. Without structure we make a different type of words, and if we take a different type of words in our sentence, so our sentence meaning will different. So don't use of this type of don't take other words. First you need to understand that the structure. What is a structure, which type of sentence, whatever sentence if we are going to say, and if we are going to anywhere in conversation to others, so we must need of structure, because not always need of structure, only few times. If you are a beginner, so you need to structure, because sometimes later slow your mind is always observing that this is a talk about a past, present or future. So your mind is also clearly understand that yes, what sentence, what structure is here, and how can we express our thought by English words. So let's start. So here structure is subject plus did not plus verb of first form and then object. This is a structure. So let's take some examples. You did not go there to buy a books. She did not play well. They did not see in the sky of rainbow. I did not study well. Children did not dance well. I did not see the TV of scene best. You did not come with me. They did not go to the school in annual function. She did not cry of this moment. I did not happy for him and for her. She did not happy to do her work. She did not have any job to growing herself. She did not working. She did not work. I did not watch this scene. That time she did not mind work. I did not have any idea that what we have to do of this matter. People did not see that come opportunities. People did not help others. People did not want to go there. They did not have any feelings. She did not help. That time need of help. This type of sentence we can express in our language, that you are a beginner. Of course I am, and I am trying to do best. No problem if you make a mistake. Your mind one time will clear that yes, and this thing always keep in your mind that yes, one time definitely we can. And then all the best. You have to must practice whatever you are thinking, whatever you are watching, whatever you are writing, just a need of practice, because without practice it can't done. And one thing I want to tell you, that in this tense we used of did not. So here is a one short name, that is a didn't. I didn't go there. You didn't come here. She didn't play with me. You know, did not of short form is didn't. Yeah, so keep practicing and all the best.